Hey there, math enthusiasts. Today we're going to dive into one of the most captivating mathematical concepts known to humanity, the Fibonacci numbers. Get ready to be amazed. The Fibonacci sequence is a series of numbers where each number is the sum of the two preceding ones. It starts with 0 and 1, and then the next number is 0 plus 1 power 1, followed by 1 plus 1 power 2, 2 plus 1 power 3, 3 plus 2 power 5, and so on. The sequence looks like this: 0, 1, 1, 2, 3, 5, 8, 13, 21, 34, 55, 89, 144, and it continues infinitely. Now, here's where it gets really mind-blowing. As the Fibonacci numbers increase, the ratio between consecutive numbers approaches a constant value, known as the golden ratio, approximately 1.618. This ratio is found throughout nature, art, and even in the human body's proportions. It's like a universal constant that governs the beauty and harmony we see around us. If you look closely, you'll find the Fibonacci sequence embedded in nature itself. From the spiral patterns of sunflowers and pine cones to the branching patterns of trees and the spirals of galaxies, the Fibonacci numbers are present everywhere. It's as if nature has a secret love affair with these magical numbers. The applications of Fibonacci numbers extend far beyond just mathematics. They play a crucial role in computer science, finance, biology, and even music theory. For example, the Fibonacci numbers are used in encryption algorithms, stock market analysis, and even in the study of DNA sequences. So, there you have it, the mesmerizing world of Fibonacci numbers. From the golden ratio to nature's intricate patterns, these numbers hold a special place in our universe. Who knew that such a simple sequence could unlock so many secrets and wonders? Prepare to be amazed and inspired by the beauty of mathematics.